Hello, welcome to my channel DIY Craft Hub. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really lovely origami paper stars. They're really simple. Once you've got it, you can make loads of them. All you need is a square piece of paper, some scissors, and if you want to add a button detail, you need a button and a glue gun. Let's get started. So you start with your square piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half lengthways. Like so. Next, you're going to take up one corner and fold it diagonally, so you line it up at the top there. Give it a little press, and then take the opposite corner and fold it down the same way. Give it a little press. Now you have this point here. You're going to bring this bottom corner, so we're working with the folded edge. This bottom corner is coming up to this point that you've created here. Now we're going to take the point, this corner, and fold it back on itself up against the folded edge there. So you're sort of creating a little ice cream cone shape. Now we take this edge and we're going to fold it up to meet the edge we created there. Now we're going to fold the whole thing in half. And you are left with this shape. The next step is to cut along this line. So we're cutting this bit off. So now we can open it out, and you will have this shape. Now we need to fold our sides up, but we're not going to the center point. We're actually going to take our corners and match them up with these lines here. So I shall show you that now. And that is where we crease. We're going to do that with all 5 sides. I shall continue round and meet you when I get back to the other side. So I've folded all 5 sides up, and you can see it's created a smaller shape in the centre, and you can sort of see with the creases a star beginning to form. So next, what we're going to do, this is the tricky fold. We're going to take 2 sides, pinch them up together, and fold the corner down so it points off the edge. Give that a nice good crease. Now you need to open it back up fully. Take the next side and do the same. So just do this with all 5 corners. So as you fold that down, the point comes off the side there. There we go. Put that bit down. And then the last one. There we are. Okay, so now is the fun part. We're going to pinch our corners, just give them a little twist. And you can see it starts to sort of pull itself in, and if you just slowly press down, they fold into each other. They nest into each other. So you have this. This is the back of your star. So you turn it over. We just have a few more folds to go. So now we're going to take these points and we're going to fold them into the centre one at a time. Just going slowly, making sure that all my points are nice and pointy. Folding it into the centre and then adjusting. Before I press down. It's worth taking your time to get them looking nice and neat. So this last point we need to do is a little bit tricky because it's sort of underneath the other one. You just have to lift that one up gently. Give it a poke and a squeeze. And there you have your paper star. These look lovely just like this, but I do love to add a button. This is optional, it's just something I always do, or you could add a sequin or a bead. I just have a lot of buttons and I love to use them on these stars. So I'm going to add a little blob of glue. There. I've got a red button here and I'm just going to pop that one in the middle. And that's it. You have a few options with these now you've made them. You can take a needle, thread it just through the top of the point there and have them hanging. You can take some thread, place it with some glue on the back and put two together. You can see the back of this one. Once you've placed the other star on the back like that, that covers up the white, and you can have your thread coming out the top there, and you have double-sided ones. So if it spins, you have two sides. That looks really pretty. I like those. I really like making these ones out of old books. They look lovely. Or you can simply attach it to a gift as a gift tag. They make really sweet gift tags. You can do all sorts of different colours and then attach them to your gifts, which look really pretty under the tree. So let me know if you have a go at this craft. It's really simple, really fun. I love these. I've made hundreds over the years and I really enjoy them. So I hope you enjoyed it too. See you again soon.